Welcome. Today, we are working with Opera and Adobe Photoshop. Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to another great tutorial with Flight Sim 205. Today, I will show you how to make a logo for your YouTube channel or for anything else, by using a website and Adobe Photoshop. So first, open your browser. Make sure you have a browser that supports Inspect Element only because we will be using that. Okay, so go to the URL box and type in gaming-logo-maker.com. Press Create My Clan. Don't worry about paying, you won't have to. Press the logo maker. Now, select the mascot that you want. In this tutorial, I will select their tiger mascot. Now you can partially customize to however you want it to be. I will partially customize this logo and then I will show you how to get it for free. Select all of your layers by pressing Ctrl A and move your logo to the center. Once you had done that, right-click in this empty space where there is only these watermarks, and open Inspect Element. Now, make sure you have this part of the element selected and then press the three dots icon that is right here and select Hide Element. Close the Elements Manager, and go to your Start menu and search for the Snipping tool. Snip only your logo. Nice. Now, save this as a PNG file. After you had done that, open Adobe Photoshop or any other photo editor program. But, I recommend you using Photoshop. Import the logo image. Now, let's get rid of this background by selecting their Background Eraser tool. In case you can't see it, go to the toolbar editor and you should see it. It looks like a scissors over an eraser icon. Okay, make sure you set the brush size bigger than the whole background itself. And also, make sure you set the limits to find edges. Now you can left-click on the background and get rid of this. Be aware that if you have any part of your text or logo that is the same color as the background, it will get rid of it too. Now you can customize it even more by adding more text, illustrations, images, and many more, or you can just keep it the way it is. I will customize it. Now, if you think that you are done, then you can export it or save it. I hope that this tutorial had helped you. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Please and as always have a great day.